Welcome to Be a Careers. In the world of software development, application programming interfaces play a vital role in enabling communication between different software systems. One popular type of API is the REST API, representational state transfer, which is widely used for building web services. In this article, we will explore what REST API is in the context of Java programming, its benefits, and how it can be utilized efficiently. Understanding REST API. Before diving into REST API in Java, let's first understand what REST API is in general. REST is an architectural style that defines a set of constraints to build web services. It is based on the principles of simplicity, scalability, and statelessness. REST APIs use the HTTP protocol for communication and leverage its various methods such as get, post, put, and delete to perform different operations on resources. In the context of Java programming, REST API refers to the implementation of RESTful web services using Java technologies. Java provides a robust ecosystem for building REST APIs, with frameworks like JAX-RS, Java API for RESTful web services, facilitating the development process. These frameworks provide a set of classes, interfaces, and annotations that simplify the creation and deployment of RESTful web services. Benefits of REST API in Java. REST API in Java offers several advantages that make it a popular choice for building web services. Here are some of the key benefits. 1. Simplicity and lightweight. REST API is known for its simplicity and lightweight nature. It follows a resource-based approach, where each resource is identified by a unique URI. 2. Scalability and performance. REST API's stateless nature allows it to scale easily. Each request to a RESTful web service is independent of previous requests, making it suitable for distributed and scalable systems. 3. Platform independent. REST API in Java is platform independent, meaning it can be consumed by clients built on different programming languages and frameworks. 4. Flexibility and modularity. REST API promotes a modular and flexible design by separating the client and server concerns. This separation allows independent evolution and updates of the client and server components. Developers can easily add, modify, or remove resources without impacting the overall system. 5. Wide industry adoption. REST API has gained widespread adoption in the industry, making it a standard choice for building web services. Many popular platforms and services, such as Twitter, Facebook, and Google, expose their functionality through RESTful APIs. Required skills for working with REST API in Java. To effectively work with REST API in Java, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the following skills. 1. Knowledge of MVC frameworks. Knowledge of MVC, Model View Controller, frameworks like Spring or Play is essential for building RESTful web services in Java. These frameworks provide a structured approach to handle the separation of concerns and facilitate the development of scalable and maintainable applications. 2. Understanding of HTTP protocol. A thorough understanding of the HTTP protocol is crucial when working with REST API in Java. It is important to be familiar with the various HTTP methods, get, post, put, delete, and their corresponding semantics. Additionally, understanding HTTP headers, status codes, and caching mechanisms is essential for designing robust and efficient RESTful web services. 3. Knowledge of data formats. REST API in Java often involves working with different data formats like JSON or XML. It is important to have a good understanding of these formats and how to parse and serialize data in these formats. Additionally, familiarity with technologies like JSON or XML parsers is beneficial when working with RESTful web services. 4. Basics of validation framework. Validating incoming data is an important aspect of building secure and reliable RESTful web services. Having knowledge of a validation framework, such as Hibernate Validator or Spring Validation, allows developers to enforce data integrity, ensure the correctness of data produced by the API. 5. Familiarity with persistent systems. RESTful web services often interact with databases or other data stores to retrieve or store data. Having knowledge of persistent systems like Spring Data or Hibernate enables developers to efficiently manage data persistence and perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations. Fundamentals of REST API in Java. To truly master REST API in Java, it is important to have a good grasp of the following fundamentals. 1. Building a basic REST API. Start by building a basic REST API that responds with a simple message or web content. This will help you understand the fundamental concepts of REST and how to handle different HTTP methods. 2. Consuming and producing JSON/XML. Learn how to consume and produce data in JSON or XML formats. This involves parsing incoming data, validating it if necessary, and serializing data to the desired format for the response. 3. Handling form submissions. Understand how to handle form submissions in RESTful web services. This includes receiving form data, validating it, and storing it in a database or other data store. 4. Connecting to other APIs. Learn how to connect to other APIs and consume their data in your REST API. This involves making HTTP requests to external APIs, handling the responses, and processing the data accordingly. 5. Persisting data to data stores. Understand how to persist data to various data stores, both SQL and NoSQL. This involves mapping Java objects to database tables or document collections and performing CRUD operations using appropriate persistence frameworks. 6. Updating and deleting data. Learn how to update and delete data in a database through your REST API. This involves implementing the necessary endpoints and handling the corresponding HTTP methods. 7. Securing your API. Understand the importance of securing your REST API to protect sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access. This includes implementing authentication and authorization mechanisms, such as token-based authentication or OAuth. By mastering these fundamentals, you can become a proficient REST API developer in Java. Why do we need REST API in Java? REST API in Java serves various purposes and provides significant benefits. Here are some reasons why we need REST API in Java. 1. Streamlining techniques. REST API allows us to streamline techniques by consolidating multiple actions into a single view. 2. Making applications easier. This flexibility enables developers to deliver services and data more efficiently, resulting in improved user experiences. 3. Business expansion. By providing an API, businesses can extend their reach and offerings to a wider audience. APIs enable developers to integrate a company's services and resources into their own applications, allowing for additional customers and increased revenue opportunities. How REST API in Java can help in career growth. Proficiency in REST API development in Java can significantly contribute to career growth. Developers are in high demand due to the stability, scalability, and object-oriented nature of programming. With Java API expertise, developers can find opportunities in various domains, including Android applications, web applications, big data technologies, payments, e-commerce, and more. Conclusion: REST API in Java offers a powerful and versatile way to build web services. Its simplicity, scalability, and platform-independent nature make it a popular choice among developers. By mastering the required skills and understanding the fundamentals, developers can leverage REST API in Java to create robust and efficient web services. With the increasing demand for REST API developers in the industry, learning and mastering REST API in Java can pave the way for career growth and exciting opportunities.